This is a video from my stay at the Ameristar Hotel in Vicksburg, Mississippi. The room coffee maker does not work. And the boil water notice is still on, so I had to go downstairs and get some bottled water. This doesn't work. And they said, we're going to send someone up immediately to replace it. Well, that was a half hour ago. Whether someone's ever going to show up or not, I don't care. But I did bring my own coffee. Just for occasions like this, I got my own coffee. And for occasions like this, I brought a spoon. And I'm getting hot water out of the tap. As you can see, the instant coffee I bring with me on a trip never breaks down. It never has a malfunction. Now this Keurig, and I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, this Keurig coffee maker, I don't have one at home, but they're in a lot of hotel rooms. And I think on this trip I've had 3 of them either didn't work or I didn't know how to operate. Now when you don't know how to operate a coffee maker, you're in pretty bad shape. So I assumed that they didn't work. And I was wondering about this product, Keurig coffee maker, breaking down. 3 times, 3 hotel rooms, I couldn't get it to work. You know, Sharon and I, for 50 years, used coffee makers. Starting with the metal one with the basket on top, all metal, when we first got married. Then coffee makers with the plastic basket. Put the coffee in, put the pot underneath. Then to the ones where say, well, I don't use it anymore because now I use instant coffee. But anyway, you can get today. It was the paper filter. You put the paper filter on top. There's 3 different coffee makers that we used in our life. Do you want to know? None of them ever broke down. If we ever got a new coffee maker, it was because we dropped the pot on the floor, the glass pot, and broke it, and went out and bought a new coffee maker. 50 years of coffee makers, and they never broke down. Okay, I go on a trip, and 3 of these Keurigs don't work. So I started looking up online, on YouTube, Keurig coffee maker problems. YouTube is full of videos on Keurig coffee maker problems. That's not much of an advancement in coffee making when your unit is constantly breaking down. Now, I'm not saying Keurig is a lousy coffee maker. Really, it is. But I can't operate it. You know, maybe you have to be a renowned climate change scientist to figure out how to use this thing. But all I can tell you is, for over 50 years, Sharon and I had no problems with coffee makers unless we dropped the pot on the floor and broke it.